Hello guys, welcome back in a new tutorial. Today we are going to remove this clutch and change it with another clutch. Only the discs, not all the clutch. So let's go. First of all, we have to remove all these bolts. Today we are following the official service manual from this bike from Yamaha, so we are very professional. Let's go. Well, before removing every bolt, let's lose the register so we can have more gap. Now, if we are lucky, we can maybe remove this from that. Maybe. I need 2 hands for doing this. Please. Oh, maybe, hopefully. It's so close. Come on. Maybe let's lose also this register. Okay, before to remove that, we have to remove this cover protection because this little sheet have to rotate when we remove everything. This is a 10 millimeter. Let's remove that without dropping anything. This is quite still good, but I don't really like it, so let's change everything. This is quite heated. You see the black color, the blue color, a lot of heat. Et voila! Voila is a French statement from people that don't like to wash their ass. The producer says to clean the protective liquid from the surface of this, so let's do it with some alcohol. Now, after 12 hours, these are ready. From 4161 to 4380, it's okay. This is like 4350, so it's okay. Check if these are okay. A little dent, it's okay. A big dent, no. You see, it's not perfect, but I think this is still okay. The friction plates don't get trapped in these little dents. Well, we installed the first friction plate, then a metal plate with the rounded part facing the motor and the cutting the knife part facing us. Now it's important to alternate the symbols. So the first one was here, the second one will be here. This is the last plate and it's important to not put it in this way. You need to alternate it. You see, the other one and this one. And now we can tie them a little, not in this way, but crossing them. Now we need 10 Newton meters. Have you seen that? I turned this to approach this cover. Also for this one, always cross when you tie the bolts. Then these cover bolts in the service manual are supposed to be closed at 12 Newton meters, but I think that 10 will be more than enough. And that's it! Enjoy your new clutch and go slow in the first time. Oh, I'm forgetting this one. And to set this one. And to set the register, leaving just a little gap. But okay, you can do it by yourself, it's not a problem. Go slow for the first times to let the friction plates adapt to the other plates. Let's go! Please leave a like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video. Bye! See you next time.